Hi everyone, it's Mr. Smith here. Let's see if I'm in the shot. There we go. With the second playing video here for 8th grade band. We're going to look at number 8. Now is the month of May, and it's a cut time example. Let me put the saxophone down here. And let's take a look at this. Now cut time, you remember from class, all the values of the notes are halved. So here's your cut time right here, and that's telling you it's really like 2-2, which is 2 beats per measure, and the half note gets the beat. So a half note is going to feel like a quarter note because it gets the beat. We're used to the quarter note getting the beat, receiving 1 beat, 1 count. The half note receives 1 count. So that means the quarter note will receive a half count. Hopefully you said it with me. So I want you to pause the video right here and just write in your counts for the first 1, 2, 3, 3 3/4 measures. Okay, so maybe you just saw me do that in super fast motion like we did, or faster than you, I should say. But here's your answer: 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and let's kind of clap that together. Oh, we better include this. So this will be a pickup note. And it's kind of like what you'd feel like beat 4, there's no beat 4 in cut time. It's really just 1 and 2 and. So this would be 1 and 2 and. Start on the and of the previous measure. Let's try it. 1 and 2, count and clap and go. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and go. Okay, let's try one more time. 1 and 2 and ready and go. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and up. All right. Let's try playing it. Let's try playing it together. Now I'm playing on tenor sax. Not my best instrument, so forgive me. Our tenor sax players in the band might make fun of me for doing this. Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready and okay, not my best work. Let's do that one more time. I made some mistakes, maybe you made some mistakes. Okay, let's try this again. And before we try that one more time, I want to mark a few things in here so we don't miss them. First thing I want to mark is a few notes that are tricky notes. Let's get some other colors. So your music might look a little different, and I switched to trombone just so I make sure I get a really good recording for people to follow along with. So if you count, I'm going to number my measures. 1, measure 2, measure 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and measure 8 is the first repeat sign. And then we've got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay. In measure 3, the last note, measure 3, that's going to be kind of a tricky note. It's an accidental in there. It's a sharp here for trombones. It might be a natural sign for other instruments. It's a sharp for trombones. Anybody in bass clef is going to be a sharp. Tubas, baritones, bassoons. What else is tricky? Right here in measure 6, this is a tricky note here. Because this is actually, oh my gosh, that's terrible. Is a natural, B natural for trombones. So that's going to be a note that you got to check out. And a couple other spots. In measure 10, check out that last note. It's the same pattern or similar pattern. That's a raised note, whether it's a sharp or a natural for your instrument. And then here's going back down to F natural here. And here's a high B natural for trombones, baritones, tubas, bassoons. It'll be a natural or a sharp for you guys in measure 15. Ba-da-da-da-dum. That note is raised. Make sure not to miss that. Okay, let's give it another shot. We'll go about this fast. Bum, 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 bum. 1 and 2 and ready and. While I was playing, I made an error. Just to leave you with this, before I end the video, I just circled the wrong note in this measure. That's a D. That's a regular, sort of a regular note, if you will. Normally played as D natural. It's this third note that's in measure 15 that's raised, either a sharp or a natural. Check that. For us, it's just not a flat in the key signature for the trombones. All the bass clef people, no flats, no sharps. So that informs what we're going to play. Okay, that's a lot of information on that one. This is a tricky one. Play it a lot of times, practice it a lot of times, and then submit your best take on Canvas or on Music First, whichever program we're using by the time this video comes out.